So first of all, we will import Pickle. Pickle is a module in Pygame by which you can store such variables directly into the memory of the computer. Not memory, but the hard drive or the permanent storage of the computer. Because sometimes what happens is when we make a variable, we cannot use it again and again. If we want to run the same code again, we have to wait till that variable is being made. But in Pickle, you can do so much things by saving the variable directly into the computer. Let's see how we can do it. So we will name the variable as var, and let's say it is just an integer with 5. Then we have to say pickle dot dump. We will dump this variable. Which variable? Var variable. Into where we will dump it. We will dump it in a file called var.dat, and we have to write it in binary wb. Because we are saving the file, we have to write binary. When we will have to read the file, we will do the rb, which means read binary. And when all this is done, we will print saved. It is very easy, guys. Once you learn it, it has so many uses. There is some error. Okay, we have to do open here and put this in brackets. Okay, now if we run this, it should run. Yes, and it says saved. Now if we remove this code from here, as you can see, if we open the files, we can see a var.dat file here, which is made from this code. Now if I remove this code and I remove the variable as well, now in this file you can not see that variable being made. But if I say var is equal to, I don't know what var is, so I won't say var is equal to 5. I have to know what it is. So I will say var is equal to pickle dot load. We will load that variable in. Which variable? We don't have to say which variable here, we have to say which file we have to load. So we will say open, name of the file var.dat, and now we will say wb. No, not wb, guys. We will say rb, read binary. This time we have to read the file. And now if I say print var, it should print 5. Let's see. Yes, as you can see, it printed 5 over here. If you want to check it, you can also make another file. Let's say test.py, and there also I can import pickle, and I can say var is equal to the same thing, guys. You can do it in multiple files, you can do it the same file. If I copy this code, it's just straightforward, the same thing. Doesn't make a difference if you change the file, however, but from one file to another file also you can share the variables. That is a very good use case of this. And I also learned to make a flashcard app with this, which you can use to study. So if you want, I will make a video on that as well, how you can make that. A proper GUI I will design for it first, and a video I will upload on it. So guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and check out the rest of the videos from my channel and subscribe. Okay, there are 1000 views completed on my channel, and first of all, thank you guys for that. But only 3 subscribers are there, so subscribe, it's free. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.